Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm going to be talking to you about a product that is the definition of tiny but powerful. That's the INIU 10,000 mAh 45 watt PD portable charger. Yeah, that's a mouthful. And this device is so tiny. I mean, I have really small hands, and you can see how it fits in the palm of my hand. It really is about the size of a wallet. Maybe a little thicker, depending on how many credit cards you have in your wallet, but it's really just the size of a wallet. Pocket size, 10,000 mAh. That is a ton of power, and supports 45 watt fast PD charging. That is awesome. This device is just great. It's by INIU, I-N-I-U, INIU, and I love INIU. I have had products of theirs in the past. They are truly an innovative company when it comes to electronics and things, and this charger is no exception. Let me tell you about all the features and a couple of surprise features you probably won't be anticipating. So you have 3 ports here on the front. You've got 2 USB-C and a USB. You can charge it through the USB-C, and all 3 of these ports can be used to charge another device. Now, if you want to charge something at 45 watts, that's the total. So you'd have to be charging a single device. But you plug an iPhone into this, just the iPhone, you're going to be getting full iPhone 17 that supports that fast of a charging. You'll be getting that full 45 watt charging. You can even use this to charge a MacBook Air. Yeah, this little device can charge a MacBook Air. So great for not only that, but obviously iPhone, Android phone, Pixel phone, it's a Samsung tablet or Galaxy phone, iPad. You can charge all your devices with this tiny little thing, and then 10,000 mAh. And again, if you're using a single port, you can get up to 45 watt PD charging. But that's not all it has. It just has this nice little display on the front and a little button on the side here you press so that you can see how much charge you have remaining, which is great. And then you have this nice wrist lanyard. Now here's the surprise. Here's the thing that really just blew me away. It's a small touch that I think makes this thing amazing. This is a lanyard, but you pull this out and look there, you have your Type-C to C charging cord built into the device, but not to take up space or whatever. Use it as a strap. So when you're not using it, you just plug it in there, and there you go. Now it's your nice carrying strap, but you always have it with you. So if you need a C-to-C charging cord, it's just right there, and it's a nice cord. It's got a nice braided flat cord, so looks good, works great as a hanging cord or wrist cord, but then also is a Type-C to C charging cable if you need it. So this little 10,000 mAh power bank by INIU is awesome. It comes in 4 different colors. So if black isn't your thing, there are other color options, so you can check those out as well. You've got your display to know how much power you have. You can fast charge a single device up to 45 watts or multiple devices at slightly lower than that. So just really so much power, so much functionality in a tiny little portable battery charger. I love it. Excellent product by INIU, and definitely a product that I would recommend.